Good morning. Here I am at Crichton Hall in Dumfries, built in 1880 something as a lunatic asylum. But some amazing character in these buildings. As you can see up to my top right, there's a hole in the ceiling, but this whole place is getting renovated. We've got the privilege of doing these floors. They're solid oak, prime grade, and they've been covered for years, so they are full of nails. Let me just turn you around and give you an example. I think there's 10,000 in this room. This is about 100 and odd square meters we're doing, and we're doing 180 in the other room behind me. I'll just give you a little look. But this job is gonna be nice. A lot of repairs to do, not a problem. Break out the concrete. We've got rooms through there with this oaking that we're going to use. Oh yeah, I mean, you look at that, I mean, who'd ever renovate that? But it will come up mint. We've already come in, just because we're denailing, prepping, there's a lot of repairs to do. I mean, look at the prime oak, look at that, it is going to be absolutely amazing. These workers are so messy though, they need to get a grip. But we're going to be, this is a Sunday, so once we get them out the way, we'll be all right. But he's a bit denailed and sanded, just rough sanded. I mean, it needs the pinholes filled, and you know, and we'll probably put a clear oil and lacquer on it. It'll look fantastic. But yeah, somebody's even feeding the dog in here. I mean, some tradesmen are just unbelievable. I mean, the state of the place, who'd leave the place like this on a weekend? But hey, needs must, and I'm not tidy enough for them. I'm just coming up here just to show them that this floor will come up a treat. Anyway, I'll keep you informed on this job. See you soon.